Have you ever craved that perfect bites of warm, crispy, and delicious apple turnover? Well, stick around because we are about to create some magic in the kitchen together. I'm Goli and welcome back to Miss Cake Kitchen. Today we are going to whip up an incredibly easy yet absolutely delicious apple turnover recipe. Alright, let's dive in. First, peel and dice 4 apples into small cubes. In a pan, melt a tablespoon of butter, and once it's melted, add the diced apples. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a splash of lemon juice. Cook this mixture until the apples are tender and the liquid has reduced. If it is too juicy, feel free to add a tablespoon of cornstarch to help thicken it up. Once it's done, let it cool completely. Now, roll out some ready puff pastry into a large rectangle. Trim the edges. And cut it into 4 equal parts. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a like. And also watch my previous videos. Place good amount of cooled apple mixture in the center of each pastry square. Mix 1 egg with a bit of milk or cream. Brush the edges with egg wash. And fold them over. Pressing the edges together so they seal nicely. Cut a few slits on top of each turnover. Brush them with egg wash. And bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes until they are golden. While they bake, prepare a simple icing by mixing 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, a splash of vanilla, and a bit of lemon juice. Mix them until it's nice and smooth. Once apple turnovers are out of the oven and still warm, drizzle the icing over the top for that perfect finishing touch. And there you have it. These apple turnovers are the perfect blend of crispy, sweet, and utterly irresistible. I hope you enjoy making them as much as I did. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my other videos, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy every delicious bite.